So here I am at whanchai shop, the one in Turn, and I thought I'd show you around. So we're going to meet up with them, and then we're going to go into Tang Kong to show you the solar farm system up there that he's just installed. But I want to show you here at his shop. He's actually got a shop on solar, so that's the system there. Even got the meter on. So basically what it does, if he gets a power out, then the solar cell takes over, you know, which is quite happens quite often in Thailand, you know. He's also got street lights here, different types of lighting for your tops of your walls, your garden walls. These are quite handy. I mean, they're only 189 baht, very cheap. Yeah, these are the ones I like to use. That's why I put in pies. There's all these ones here. So he has a good selection of equipment, electrical and other things, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna go and see him now. There he is. There's the man himself.
สวัสดีครับวันชัยการไฟฟ้าครับ
That's
เชิญ
it.
ครับ
So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put the drone up outside the shop here, so you can actually get a good view of the shop and the advertisements. You'll actually see the solar cell on the top here. So and then after that, then we're going to go on to the other place. All right. Okay, I'll catch you in a bit. So in here you've got lithium ion batteries, and these are gel batteries. So these are 160 amp batteries, 6 volt, so they're paired up all the way along. Then you've got your 12 volt batteries here, gel batteries, solar inverter, control breaker, and this is the energy storage inverter. I'm going to show you. Hello. Hello. So we're just going to open this up and show you. Okay, now we've got the door open, and these are lithium ion.
Lithium ion.
Okay, so these are lithium ion batteries for the solar cell, but they're built in a computer controller, and you've got like a fan here that's refrigerated. It's very cold. Wow.
แบตเตอรี่ในห้องเนี้ยทั้งหมดเนี่ยเหลือแค่นี้
So okay นี่ soกี่วัตต์กี่แอมป์ใช่ไหมนี่100 ปี 1 2 3 4 5 so this system นี่12 kilowatt. Yeah, so this is system that we've got here for this temple is 12 kilowatt. So this is how many batteries you need, and then we've got the backup on here as well. It's very high tech. Yeah, wow. Can you okay. It's like a fridge. This unit here is like auto lock, ใช่ไหม No. Oh. Good. Okay. Okay. So this is a safety inverter. ใช่ so you got one there and one here ใช่ไหม
ครับ
นี่ backup is this like a backup because you got two inverters
จำสตาร์ทแบตเตอรี่
jump start
Start.
yeah okay
Start.
so that's a jump start for the battery okay and this for by Canuck ใช่ไหม so this is all the breakers for all the different buildings
แบตเตอรี่ในการตั้งค่าอย่าให้ใช้พลังงานลดต่ำลงเกิน 20%
okay so when the power drops down like 20% this so it does a slow start and slow turn off if the power goes too low or if it goes too high then that unit there actually controls
ถ้า
that
ใช้ไฟหมดเลยแบตเตอรี่จะไม่ทน
yeah so อะไรนะ
have to leave battery
ใช้จนไฟหมดอ่ะ
not low more than 20
yeah no,
if
20%
low more than 20 battery gonna
บวมไม่ทนเสีย
no good and maybe gonna not you can use for long time
right okay so this just controls the battery level yeah okay okay battery breaker combine
แผลไฟ
you got your other breaker units and so อันนี้6 volt
ครับ
อันนี้12 volt ใช่ไหม so you got 12 volt 6 volt and then you got your 12 volt in series yeah all the batteries are in series okay so I'm going to take you outside and show you the panels by the way whanchai here is him that installed for Pi he donates all his time here for free you know so all what you're going to see today he's installed for free for the temple you know so he call like tambun you know so he gives for making him feel good inside you know he's an amazing guy he took me and Pi for dinner last night and it was for breakfast this morning before we actually come here so I'm so pleased to be here and meet the monks you know I'll tell you a little bit about the area once I've showed you around on the solar farm here so as you can see here we actually got some panels ready to be installed these are any Samloy C-SIP some watt Samloy Sam okay 330 watt panels there's quite a few here so we'll come over here
อาจารย์เปิดไฟตรงไหนครับ
and as you can see he's got quite a few panels here already so there's a set there and a set here I'll just go up these stairs I don't know if they can hold my weight oh Nico Jaya so what we got there 1 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 so there's 18 on here 18 on there and so that's 36 on there that's a lot of solar panels and they extend more they've got some new buildings going up so I want to put the drone up and show you around
การออกแบบทำเป็นลานจอดรถก็ได้
อะไรนะ
การออกแบบให้เป็น
ดีไซน์ไม่มี
จอดรถก็ได้
กันดูดีไซน์แล้วกับ
ดีไซน์
yeah so if any of you guys thinking about putting solar cell in your houses in Thailand and that all the details every single detail of what the system is will be in the description below the contact whanchai for his shops he has 2 shops he has a shop in Chiang Khong and Turn okay and he's prepared to travel anywhere in Thailand to help you guys out okay
พื้น
obviously
ที่ไว้สำหรับทำความสะอาด
yeah easy for clean yeah chai obviously he's done this for easy clean but if you can actually do this as a carpool and have them on top you know the solar cells on top of your carpool so anyway this is all the systems to control give power to 17 rai of land here right now there's only 2 monks here but this is like a pit stop for the monks that's traveling monks so it's like a homestay for the monks they might stop for a day they might stop for a week a month a year whatever they want to do they can actually stay here you know and it's expanding each day. We've got some builders around doing some building work, so I'll just show you some of that. So, and Pi's my translator today and doing a damn good job of it, because I thought my Thai was good, but since I come up north it's not that good. So absolutely amazing place. Yeah, so you can see they've got the walkways up here, so they can easily clean the panels. You know, they have a big long brush thing for clean the panels off, jet wash them off or whatever, you know. So as you can see, there's one of the accommodations here. So it's like camping out. And they're building a new just through the tree line there. So this is actually 3 years ago. Everything was the only light they had here was by candles, and now with the help of Share company, Skylink solar company, they've donated the panels. Share has donated all the materials, other materials for building, free, you know, to this project. And whanchai, him and his team donated the time for installation, and what an amazing setup, you know. So I'm going to put some stuff up and you can see how the layout is for here. Okay. So like I say, 3 years ago everything was lit by candle, and then they started using some solar cells over on the building over there. I'll show you that in a moment, which were just a few little panels. And there was one guy that stayed here as a monk, reached out to Share and the Sky panel, the company for the Skylink, yeah, solar panels.
ไม้ฝายเชื้อราเป็นผู้อุปถัมภ์ใหญ่
Yeah, and Share is one of the biggest companies in Thailand, you know. So hats off to them for doing this, you know. And it's a really good project, you know. So like I say, it's an area where people are here to travel. Anyone can come and visit. Even if you want to stay the night, I'm sure all monasteries will actually accommodate people, you know, up to you for do a donation or whatever, you know. But if you want to see what real Thailand's like, you've got to come to places like this, you know. So this is like going from old to new. They're modernizing it, but they still want the old theme, you know. So like I say, I mean, the monks live like this, you know, but now they're starting at the back there. I'm going to show you now how they expanding the place. I mean, even when the army do their patrols and that, they even sometimes stay here, you know. So there's a couple of accommodations down there, and you see the solar panels. There's about 3 or 4 panels there, and that was the only electricity that they had, you know. So now they're building more places here, prayer rooms, and accommodation. And all the material here is being donated. All the Share panels and stuff like that, all that's been donated by Share. Some of the local building companies donate the steel, you know. Yeah, even the Share roofing, same what I've used on the Shanghai project. Yeah. Wow, there's pathways going all over the place. So there's some long trails through.
Yeah.
I'm saying other people can come and visit here, yeah. I'm in stay if they need to stay, if they want to feel the experience of what it's like to stay in a monastery, you know. Wow, amazing, isn't it? But it just goes to show how good people are donating their time, you know. I mean, I didn't know how much whanchai actually donated when he come to do for Pi. It was nothing for him to do that. He was so happy to do that. So if you ever think about doing the solar cell, please contact him, you know, and he will be gladly to help you. He doesn't speak any English, but his daughter does, so she can help anywhere, and he's prepared to travel anywhere in Thailand. He may even export if need be, you know, so there you go. I'm well impressed, well impressed. So they're just preparing to put some more frames up for more panels. We've got like a prayer tree there. We've got a prayer room there. Toilet and kitchen area over there. I mean, we're quite high up in the mountain here. So I'm going to stick the drone up and let you have a look at the drone. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and so it's goodbye from me, it's goodbye from Pai, goodbye from Whanchai and Pra. Okay, so anyway guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
สวัสดีครับ